Manually typing emails, messages, or long prompts for AI tools can take a lot of time and slow down your workflow. But what if you could write everything on your computer just by speaking? In this video, we're testing Willow Voice, a voice typing tool that lets you write emails, documents, and AI prompts using only your voice, and it claims to be up to 4 times faster than typing.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
Today, I'm going to test a voice typing tool called Willow Voice and find out whether it can actually replace traditional typing in a real, everyday workflow. Willow Voice is designed to let you write anywhere on your computer using only your voice. Whether you're drafting emails, sending messages, creating documents, or even prompting AI tools, you simply press a hotkey, speak naturally, and the text appears almost instantly. Now, what makes this different from basic dictation tools? Well, unlike those, Willow Voice uses AI to automatically clean up your speech. It removes filler words, corrects spelling, formats your text into proper paragraphs or lists, and can even adjust the tone depending on where you're writing. So in this video, I'm going to show you Willow Voice working in real time, so you can see exactly how fast and accurate it really is. Once you install the app on your Windows or Mac system, you'll see an interface like this on your screen. From here, you can watch tutorial videos that walk you through how to use Willow Voice. Right next to that, you can also track your overall progress inside the app. Things like the number of words detected, the estimated time you've saved, and your average dictation speed. Below that, you'll also find a history of all your previous dictations. Pretty handy if you ever need to go back and reference something. Now, let's head over to the Settings section and take a look at the shortcuts. The first thing you'll want to set up is a hotkey. This is the key you press to activate dictation mode. The app starts listening to your voice and converts your speech into text. For this demo, I've set the right control key as my dictation hotkey. You'll also notice a few additional shortcut options below, like a Willow Assistant hotkey, a hands-free mode hotkey, and a paste transcript hotkey. But for now, we're just going to focus on the dictation hotkey and keep things simple. All right, let's put it to the test. We'll open up an email and see how Willow Voice handles a real email writing task. I'll press the right control key to activate dictation, and then I'll start speaking. Hey Sarah, I just wanted to check in about the design updates for the website project. Please let me know if the final version will be ready by tomorrow afternoon. Thanks. And there you go. Willow Voice has automatically formatted that into a clean, proper email structure. No extra effort needed on my end. Now let's test another feature, filler word removal. I'll press the hotkey again and speak, but this time I'll throw in some filler words on purpose. Hey, John, I just wanted to quickly follow up about the meeting we discussed yesterday and see if you're available sometime tomorrow afternoon. And just like that, the email comes out clean and professional. All those ums and uhs, gone, automatically. The accuracy here is honestly quite impressive. Now let's push it a little further and test multi-paragraph dictation. I'll press the hotkey and start speaking. Hi, David. I wanted to give you a quick update on the marketing campaign. New paragraph. The team has finished the initial research and will be starting the design phase next week. New paragraph. Let me know if you have any questions. Best regards, Guru. And look at how well it handled that. Each paragraph is properly separated, the formatting is clean, and everything reads naturally. Now, I kept the paragraphs short here for demonstration purposes, but you can absolutely dictate much longer ones. Whenever you want to start a new paragraph, just say New Paragraph, and Willow Voice takes care of the rest. Next up, let's talk about AI prompting. We'll open ChatGPT and try writing a prompt using just our voice. Create a YouTube video script about how artificial intelligence is changing education. The script should be about 5 minutes long, written in a simple and engaging tone, and include examples of how students and teachers can use AI tools in real life. And there it is, perfectly transcribed. The spelling is correct, the sentences are well structured, and the prompt is ready to use right away. Think about it. Instead of typing out long prompts manually, you can just speak them. That alone can make you 3 to 4 times faster, especially if you're someone who regularly writes detailed prompts for AI tools. It's a genuine time saver. Now let's do something fun, a speed comparison. We're going to write the same prompt twice, once by typing it manually and once using voice dictation. A timer on screen will track how long each method takes. First, let's type it out the traditional way. And that's how long it takes. Now, let's try the same prompt with voice dictation. Voice dictation can often be 3 to 4 times faster than typing, especially when writing long emails, documents, or AI prompts. The difference is clear. Voice dictation finished significantly faster. If you frequently write long emails, documents, or AI prompts, switching to voice input can save you a surprising amount of time every single day. So now, let's do a quick comparison between WhisperFlow and Willow Voice. We'll start with the speed test. First, we'll test WhisperFlow. I'm going to use the quick control button and start dictation. Hey Sarah, I just wanted to follow up on the project update and check if everything is moving according to the timeline we discussed earlier. I also wanted to confirm if the final version will be ready by tomorrow afternoon, because I need to review it before sending it to the client. Let me know if there's anything you need from my side to speed things up. Now, once I stop the dictation, it starts converting speech into text. And as you can see, the result is ready, and it took around 34 seconds to complete. Now, let's test Willow Voice. Hey Sarah, I just wanted to follow up on the project update and check if everything is moving according to the timeline we discussed earlier. I also wanted to confirm if the final version will be ready by tomorrow afternoon, because I need to review it before sending it to the client. Let me know if there's anything you need from my side to speed things up. And once the dictation is completed, you can see it took around 26 seconds, which is about 8 seconds faster than WhisperFlow. So in terms of speed, Willow Voice is the clear winner. Now let's move to our second test, formatting. For this test, we'll check how well both tools structure an email. You can see both tools side by side on the screen. Let's start the dictation. Write an email to David about the project update. New paragraph. Hi David, I wanted to give you a detailed update on the progress of the marketing campaign we have been working on over the past few days. New paragraph. The research phase has been completed successfully, and we have gathered all the necessary insights to move forward with the design and content strategy. The team is now preparing the initial drafts, and we expect to have a first version ready by early next week. New paragraph. Please let me know if you would like us to prioritize any specific area or if you have additional input before we proceed further. New paragraph. Looking forward to your feedback. Best regards, Guru. Now, once the dictation is complete, you can compare both the speed and formatting. You can pause the video here and take a closer look. But in my opinion, this one is a tie. Both tools did a really good job with formatting. Now let's move to the third test, filler word removal. We'll test both tools one by one. First, WhisperFlow. Hey John, I just wanted to, quickly check if you're available for a meeting tomorrow, maybe sometime in the afternoon, because we need to discuss the project updates and finalize a few things before the deadline. So yeah, just let me know what time works best for you. Now, looking at the results, you can see it didn't do a great job. Some filler words are still there. Now let's test Willow Voice with the same input. Hey John, I just wanted to, quickly check if you're available for a meeting tomorrow, maybe sometime in the afternoon, because we need to discuss the project updates and finalize a few things before the deadline. So yeah, just let me know what time works best for you. And here you can see Willow Voice handled it much better. It removed the filler words cleanly and made the sentence more professional. So in this test, Willow Voice is again the clear winner. So overall, in this comparison, Willow Voice clearly performs better in terms of speed and filler word removal, while formatting is a tie. What do you think about this comparison? Let me know in the comments. Now let's look at one more really useful feature, the personal dictionary. Sometimes you might use specific words, names, or technical terms that a voice tool might not recognize correctly. That's where the dictionary comes in. Open the Willow Voice app and head to the dictionary section. You'll find two options here, personal terms and personal shortcuts. With personal shortcuts, you can create voice shortcuts for things you type repeatedly, like saved email templates, links, addresses, or file names. With personal terms, you can add specific words you want Willow Voice to always recognize correctly. For example, I'm going to add the name of my channel, Guru Tech Solutions. Now let's test it. I'll go back to ChatGPT, press the hotkey, and dictate. This video was created for my channel, Guru Tech Solutions, where I share AI tools and productivity tips. Stay connected for more tech videos like this one. And there it is, recognized perfectly. So if you have brand names, technical jargon, or any tricky terms you use often, just add them to your dictionary and Willow Voice will handle them every time. So that wraps up our complete walkthrough of Willow Voice. It's a genuinely powerful voice typing tool, one that lets you write anywhere on your computer faster and more efficiently using just your voice. I'd love to know what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. You'll find the link to Willow Voice in the description, so feel free to check it out for yourself. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video about AI tools and productivity. See you in the next one.